Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a haul to share with you today, and this is coming from Instagram from Rhoda, who is the Happy Lil Corner, Lil L-I-L Corner, and she was selling some of her sequins mix. So I picked up a bunch of her mix. So it got here today. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Sorry guys. So she sells these by the tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons, and they're about $2 a piece, $2 a pack. And the thing about her mixes, they are set for like certain collections, okay? So I picked up a few. Some of them, I don't remember the names of the collections. I just went with the colors that I liked. And look at all this purple and pink. I'm in love, in love. And some of them I picked up 2 or 3 of them at a time. So, and some are just 1. So, yeah, there's gonna be a few repeats, but my hard part will be figuring out which is which. She also sent me some extra goodies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So some of them were Halloween and some were, you know, stuff like that, but I like the mixes. So 2 tablespoons, it doesn't sound like a lot to me. For, you know, especially if I like the mix, so I will get more. This is my first time purchasing sequins, so I bought several of the same. If you guys get my drift, or if I've confused you, you know, just look away until I say, okay, look now. So they have some clear sequins and some, you know, spring kind of colors. I don't remember any of the names, guys, so please, she sells them like a hot, you know, a flash sale on her site. I picked up 4 of these bad boys. Yes, you know, and you just, when you see the posting or the listing, you just say, she'll tell you how many is available of this collection or this mix. Ooh, look at the yellow with that purple, with the yellow butterflies. I'm in love, I'm in love. I only have 1 of that one, so yeah. I got 2 of those, 2 of those. Yes, guys, I went ham on her mix because I liked it so much. And I was seeing some of the ladies purchasing more than 1 at a time. So I made sure I went in and got what I could, or what I wanted. So this is what I got. I love it. Oh my gosh, Rhoda, thank you so much. I'm loving all the color mixes, color combinations. This one has white, but it also has like a smoky sequence in this one with the iridescent butterflies. I don't know if you guys could see any of this. If there's too much glare, I apologize, but that is what I got. Love this with the white. This one has this fancy sequin in there. It's like a stripe. Oh gosh, it's hard to show you guys everything, all the little details, especially with my cell phone. My cell phone is what I record on. But look, there's that smoky sequin again, and then there's the green and white, and then the pale pink or light pink or whatever it's called. But you see what the colors are, you know, you can see. So that, I got that one. And then I got this one with the yellow and blue in the mix. And there's different size sequins in there with the dark, that navy blue. It looks like this would look good with Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. That's what I think of this. It might even be for Sweet Story. I don't know, but I would use that for Sweet Story. Okay, let's go with this one because there's a baby blue in this. And there's also this 3-petaled flower Gosh, guys, I don't know. It's hard for me to tell if it's in focus too, because the face of my phone is facing down. So it's hard for me to see. I just hope it comes out okay. And then she's got a little bit of that peachy pink color in there, and some clear flat sequins. I love that mix. It's so hard to share how it looks, but without opening it. But that's what it looks like. And then this one is so cute. It has a little bit of black in the mix. I mean, very little black, but it makes, you know, that perfect accent against all these pastels. And I'm thinking she meant this for Halloween. I might be wrong, but you know, that's what my eye is telling me. Halloween, Pasteloween. And there's a little bit of that clear. There's even some iridescent green in there somehow. I love it. Love it. Okay, and then here is one of the purple with that green striped sequins in the mix. And it also has like the butterflies in here. It's hard to show once again. And I don't want to open it, not just yet, until I'm ready to use it, then I'll open it. But look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. That purple is like a marbled purple. It's hard to share what that color. Really trying to show you that color. Okay, I'm not going to succeed at showing sequins, so I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. And then you see some leaves. There's some green iridescent leaves in here, sequin leaves. With that purple, I'm so in love with that. And then the touch of peach with that flat peach accent right there. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I don't know, you guys. If you guys can't see this, you know, drop a message or something. Oh, this is so pretty. There's butterflies in this one too, guys. They're like hidden in there. So it's got that navy royal blue color with the yellow, flat yellow sequin mix in there. Oh, and that baby blue. So pretty. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy with this mix. And here's another one using the purple from here and the green that I showed you earlier with just the iridescent peach. Oh my God, I'm in love. I'm in love. And there's some hidden butterflies. I love that. She hid some of the, or I don't know if she meant to hide it or whatever, but it's in there and I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, what is our time? I got 8 minutes. Okay, here's that purple with the yellow butterfly, and then there's these teeny tiny little clear sequins, really teeny tiny. And I'm hoping you guys can see part of it. Oh, that's so pretty, so pretty. If you guys could see the way I'm crouching down just to make sure that I'm in view. All right, look at this one. This one to me is like, oh, there's seed beads in here. Look at the seed beads. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. There's a lot more green. So this is dominantly green, shades of green with the touch of pink and also gold. And seed beads. Oh, I love that. And yellow, there's little touch of yellow in there. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. I got 4 of those. And then this big Mama Gemma, I got 4 of these with the butterflies and the iridescent and the pink clear. This is a clear pink sequence. I don't know if you guys can even see those right there. So pretty. It is so pretty. I'm so happy with this purchase, guys. Oh, the happy little corner. You got to check her out on Instagram. She has these flash sales and they go quick with her little mixes. And you get about 2 tablespoons. But this is an extra goodie because I know there were no stickers for sale. And oh my God, look at this little kitty. It says socks me. That is so cute. And there's some vellum ephemera here. It says love with the lipstick. This one's just a star. It's a bottle of perfume. And we've got some, look, apple pie, I would call that. And here's a vellum sticker. Oh my God, I love the dinosaur. Look at the dinosaur. Look at him. So cute. This teeny tiny pocket watch. Really? Pocket watch. She's got so many, guys. It's just all these extras. Oh, that is so cute. I think these are washi flakes. This one right here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. OMG. If you know what this is, I know how old you are. Oh, I love this. I didn't have the drink. I never had the drink, but I had the candy. The exact label, same label. But I had the candy. Look at that, coffee. You got some signage. Friends. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. And you got some postage stamps. So pretty. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Rhoda, for sharing your extra goodies. Harry Potter. Oh my God, Harry Potter. A little doorway. I don't know, unagi. Real friends. And then we got an iced coffee drink, some jelly. Nope, that's not jelly. This little girl, so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that little stocking. And then there's a one runaway sticker. Oh, it's just a little door. And there's a bunny. So cute, guys. Oh my goodness, so unexpected for the extras. Thank you, Rhoda. This is so amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate all your hard work. And this girl hustles, okay? She works her butt off for all these things every week. She's got some kind of gorgeous sale going on. Please go check her out. The Happy Little Corner on Instagram. And that is Rhoda. Let's see. Check her out, guys. Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.